Na-try mo na ba tong Pure Foods ready-to-eat crispy fried chicken? Perfect to sa mga mahilig sa pritong manok. Dahil favorite namin ng Frankie's Garlic Parmesan Wings, itong flavor na to ang unang tinry namin. May kasama siyang powder for the flavoring. Cooking instructions say deep fry, but we use our Kiowa air fryer and set it to 200 degrees in 25 minutes. Saktong time and temp siya to fully cook the chicken. After maluto, just add the garlic parmesan flavor to the chicken and shake, shake, shake. Medyo di natutunaw agad yung powder, pero carry lang naman. Di masyadong strong yung garlic parmesan flavor, pero pwede na. I'd still go with Frankie's dough if yung flavor na yun ang kinikrave ko. The chicken pieces are juicy and true to its claims, crispy yung balat ng chicken. Bet! Out of the three na natry namin, itong soy garlic pinaka-favorite namin. Same number of pieces na 6 chicken parts na legs and wings. Ganda rin ang pagka-crispy ng balat. Wala tong extra packet for the soy garlic flavor. Naka-mix in na siya sa manok. Flavorful siya na manamis-namis. Nakakagutom ang lasa. Juicy rin and nag-enjoy kami dito. Siyempre, we had to try yung classic na fried chicken. May kasama siyang gravy mix na may instructions how much water you need to add. Ganda rin ang pagka-crispy nito and masarap rin yung gravy. Sakto lang ang alat and juicy yung chicken. Sarap! Yung sizes ng chicken, tama lang ang laki. 6 pieces na legs and wings per 500-gram pack. We got this for $2.50 sa Grab, but good for 2 na siya, so pwede na rin. Right amount of seasoning and flavors. Crispy and juicy. So for times na tinatamad kayong magluto pero nagkikrave kayo ng fried crispy chicken, try nyo na tong Pure Foods ready-to-eat crispy fried chicken.